If you're an investor or first-time buyer and you've ever heard it said life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans, then you know that when it comes to buying and selling real estate, the flip side of that truism is opportunity. Consider the property behind me here as a great example. The people who lived here, quite rightly, expected it to be their forever home. They loved it. And why not? It's a classic century brick home with solid bones on a massive lot, close to a myriad of amenities downtown, and with great curb appeal. Why not live here forever? Add to that the fact that it presents attractive development potential. At the back of the property behind the house, the lot can quite possibly be severed in two, providing a beautiful infill building lot with convenient side street access, all without impeding on the current backyard space. Or if a person wanted to keep it as one property and develop its income potential, you could make it a multi-generational home or an investment property by building an accessory dwelling unit at the back. And if that's not to your liking, well, just keep it. Keep it as a single-family home. Regardless, the point here is this. Every once in a while, a unique opportunity comes along simply because life happens. And it happens despite the best laid plans. So when that happens, just bear this in mind. Somebody is going to take advantage of it. Somebody is going to see the opportunity for what it is and delve into it with excitement and passion. Why not let that somebody be you? Come on, let's have a look.
In the quiet of the night, shadows call my name. Whispers of a love that faded, nothing is the same. Memories, they linger like ghosts within my mind. In the echoes of the past, your heart I try to find. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
The stars up in the sky, they used to shine so bright. Now they're just a reminder of the darkest night. I wander through the moments, lost without your touch, longing for the days when we loved so much. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
If I could turn back time, I'd hold you close again. But now I'm left with shadows and an endless rain. In the stillness, your voice is just a distant sound, a memory that fades as the darkness comes around.
Time moves slowly like a river running dry. The colors of the world fade to a grayscale sky. We trace the lines of our love in the tears that fall.